A new opinion poll now indicates that a majority of Kenyans support the recently proposed regulations on the activities of religious organizations, despite the order by President Uhuru Kenyatta for the rules to be withdrawn. The survey conducted by Pan-African Research Services, a private research company, indicates that 60% of Kenyans across all denominations support streamlining of religious organizations. However, 62% of the respondents remain opposed to the auditing and taxation of funds raised by religious bodies. The poll, conducted between 19th January to the 23rd of January, involved 2,096 respondents from across Kenya. Additionally, Kenyans were split at 48% each concerning the government's resolve to fight corruption, with the Jubilee government scoring poorly at 37% on security matters.
Should have a training certificate, yeah, which is quite interesting. And then you can see here the difference in support by the Christian Catholics and the Christian Protestants. There's higher support for it from the Christian Catholics as compared to. It's significant because when we're talking about a margin of error of plus or minus 2.14, and the difference between those supporting who are Christian Catholics is 71% compared to 61% Christian Protestants, then there's a significant difference. The Islams also support the regulation. In the poll, we looked at security, and the general feeling was that there was poor implementation of immigration laws, there was corruption, and there was also poor response to intelligence. Yeah, when faced with threat, there was poor response to intelligence. That is the opinion.